Still exploring this creek. It just keeps getting more and more amazing. More and more waterfalls. I'm pretty close to the top of the mountain, but there's just more falls. Keep going up and up. Look at this tree. This is probably the biggest, one of the biggest trees I've seen in Costa Rica. I mean, look at this thing. Look at the root structure. It's freaking amazing. Look at this beauty. What an energy coming off of this tree. Wow. And this waterfall, I'm going to go up the mountain here and try to get up to the top. Keep exploring. Let you journey with me for a little while. I mean, heaven on earth. Now I keep saying it, but God, it is embodied here. I mean, this is paradise. Look at this tree. Oh my God, it's amazing. Incredible. Wow, look at the structure of the roots. This is like my funnest pastime ever. Exploring new territory, finding waterfalls, and amazing flora and fauna. Look at this amazing tree. So beautiful and incredible. I'm gonna keep journeying up the mountain and try to find the spring source for this creek. And it branched off way back river, way down the creek. I decided to take the left branch and found all this. Next I'm gonna go explore the right side and I'm sure find some equally amazing waterfalls. So, anyone interested in coming and doing an internship program with us here, this is what you get to do on your days off. You get to explore this amazing jungle and creeks and rivers and waterfalls here at Ardent Light. So many to see, so much to do. There's no need to go anywhere else in Costa Rica while you're here for your internship, because you'll be able to experience so many different facets of nature here on the farm. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. As you can see, look, another waterfall. Another new waterfall. Makes about 12 I've found today. Big ones. I don't count anything under 15 feet. The neighbor getting some water. Here's a pipe. What the hell is that? Something up in the trees. Hope it's a monkey. Huh. There's something up there. I don't know what it was. Wow, look at this waterfall. Holy shit, man. Look at that one up there. Just keeps going up and up. Fucking amazing. Holy cow. Look at this. There's dozens of waterfalls just on this upper branch of the creek. This is obviously a kind of a trail here, it looks like. Wow. This is amazing. What a day. And I'm just getting started. It's still the morning, folks. We got a lot more exploring to do today. Holy shit. Wow. Should have brought my bag and my snacks, but that's okay. They're down there. Holy shit. Wow. I see the sunlight up there. It's like, you gotta be near the top. Oh man, this is so incredible. I'm gonna let you journey with me all the way to the top. We can edit the video later. Let's keep going up, guys and gals. Let's try to find the spring head of this creek. That's my goal. It'll make it happen. Wow. Paradise indeed. This is epic hike, to say the least. Epic hike. This is the best way to go. I think this way. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off so it's better, but meet you at the top.